Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn English through picture description in future continuous tense. The image shows a lively outdoor scene where children and an adult are enjoying a party with music, dancing, and snacks. Picture description in future continuous tense. 1. The children will be playing in the garden. 2. The man will be playing the guitar. 3. Some kids will be dancing joyfully. 4. One boy will be pretending to be a superhero. 5. A girl will be covering her mouth in surprise. 6. Two boys will be eating ice cream. 7. The children will be laughing together. 8. They will be enjoying the party. 9. One girl will be standing with her hands up. 10. The adults will be watching over the children. 11. One boy will be flexing his muscles. 12. A girl will be twirling around. 13. The kids will be listening to music. 14. They will be playing games on the grass. 15. The man will be sitting on a chair and singing. 16. One child will be clapping her hands. 17. The kids will be enjoying the outdoor activities. 18. One boy will be smiling brightly. 19. They will be having a great time at the party. 20. Some kids will be waving their arms. 21. One girl will be cheering for her friend. 22. They will be moving around the garden. 23. The kids will be looking at each other and smiling. 24. The boy in glasses will be eating a snack. 25. They will be feeling happy and energetic. 26. The man will be entertaining the children. 27. The children will be jumping and dancing. 28. Some of them will be watching the guitar player. 29. They will be cheering and laughing. 30. A girl will be dancing in her red dress. 31. The kids will be spreading joy around. 32. One boy will be clapping along to the music. 33. They will be holding hands and spinning. 34. A girl with a purple dress will be smiling. 35. They will be enjoying the summer weather. 36. The chairs will be set up around the garden. 37. Some children will be looking at the musician. 38. They will be appreciating the music. 39. The children will be dancing in pairs. 40. A girl with a flowered headband will be holding ice cream. 41. They will be celebrating together. 42. The man will be playing happily. 43. They will be sitting on the chairs when they get tired. 44. One girl will be cheering as she watches the dance. 45. They will be playing with each other. 46. The boy in glasses will be licking his ice cream. 47. They will be laughing and cheering. 48. One child will be putting her hand on her friend's shoulder. 49. They will be running around the garden. 50. They will be clapping to the beat. 51. The children will be gathering around the musician. 52. They will be admiring the guitar playing. 53. The kids will be taking turns to dance. 54. They will be imitating dance moves. 55. One boy will be raising his arms up. 56. They will be singing along to the music. 57. The girl with red hair will be smiling widely. 58. They will be filling the garden with laughter. 59. They will be surrounded by decorations. 60. The kids will be forming a circle to dance. 61. the adults will be encouraging the kids to dance. 62. The children will be having a memorable day. 63. They will be holding their ice creams carefully. 64. They will be enjoying their snacks. 65. One girl will be sipping her drink. 66. They will be interacting with each other. 67. The children will be dancing energetically. 68. The kids will be swinging their arms. 69. The girl with a headband will be savoring her treat. 70. They will be watching each other's moves. 71. The children will be making funny faces. 72. They will be forming small groups. 73. The kids will be applauding the musician. 74. One boy will be patting his friend's back. 75. They will be waving their hands in the air. 76. They will be taking turns to perform. 77. One child will be looking at her friend excitedly. 78. They will be posing for pictures. 79. The man will be smiling while playing the guitar. 80. They will be feeling joyful. 81. The children will be imitating dance moves. 82. They will be playing tag with each other. 83. They will be jumping around with excitement. 84. The kids will be singing loudly. 85. They will be admiring the decorations. 86. The children will be sitting and chatting. 87. They will be listening to each other. 88. The boy with glasses will be enjoying his food. 89. They will be having fun with the activities. 90. The kids will be moving to the music. 91. They will be posing with their friends. 92. They will be sharing snacks. 93. The children will be playing cheerfully. 94. They will be showing their dance moves. 95. They will be acting out scenes. 96. They will be imitating the adults. 97. The kids will be eating ice cream together. 98. They will be gathering to enjoy the show. 99. The children will be dancing without a care. 100. They will be creating joyful memories. Questions Answers Practice. Will the children be playing in the garden?
Yes, the children will be playing in the garden.
Will the man be playing a musical instrument?
Yes, he will be playing the guitar.
Will some kids be dancing?
Yes, some kids will be dancing.
Will one boy be pretending to be a superhero?
Yes, one boy will be pretending to be a superhero.
Will a girl be covering her mouth?
Yes, a girl will be covering her mouth in surprise.
Will the children be laughing?
Yes, the children will be laughing.
Will they be eating snacks?
Yes, they will be eating snacks.
Will the kids be jumping?
Yes, the kids will be jumping.
Will the man be sitting on a chair?
Yes, he will be sitting on a chair.
Will they be enjoying the party?
Yes, they will be enjoying the party.
Will one boy be flexing his muscles?
Yes, one boy will be flexing his muscles.
Will a girl be dancing in her red dress?
Yes, a girl will be dancing in her red dress.
Will they be feeling happy?
Yes, they will be feeling happy.
Will the kids be cheering?
Yes, the kids will be cheering.
Will the children be playing games?
Yes, the children will be playing games.
Will they be singing along?
Yes, they will be singing along.
Will they be posing for pictures?
Yes, they will be posing for pictures.
Will the children be sharing their snacks?
Yes, they will be sharing their snacks.
Will the boy with glasses be eating ice cream?
Yes, the boy with glasses will be eating ice cream.
Will they be making joyful memories?
Yes, they will be making joyful memories.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.